Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming length and removing buildup. That gives the body you need. Once damp, distribute a leave-in and a light mousse to add volume and hold, then comb through with a wide-tooth comb to prevent frizz. Next, flip your head forward and diffuse on low heat while scrunching to encourage natural waves. Make sure the diffuser is close but not blasting. This jump-starts the lift and texture that define Robert Plant's iconic look. Once the base texture is set, section hair into 4 so you can control volume. You alternate 1-inch wand curls away from the face for loose, undone waves that read like his style, and then finger comb them while cooling to soften edges. Make sure to backcomb lightly at the crown for that lived-in lift, and apply a salt spray to mid-lengths while scrunching. This creates grit and separation. Keep movements loose, avoid perfect ringlets for authenticity. You finish by working a pea-size amount of cream or light pomade into the ends to define pieces without weighing them down, then rough finger the shape until it feels natural. Once done, give a cool diffuse blast to lock movement and mist flexible hairspray from about 10 inches away for hold without crunch. If it goes flat later, tease the roots lightly and add dry shampoo at the crown for instant lift. That single tweak often rescues the whole silhouette.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.